China's stockpile markets tumbled on Monday following U.S. CEO Donald Trump card endangered new tariff on China, setting a trading transactions in question. Latter comments had offered both of sides were approaching a trading transactions. A China deputation was due to journey to Washington the 1 week for negotiations designed at end the trading warfare. U.S. Print has informed how China is now examining cancellation those negotiations, how were planned to restart on environment. Several accountable told the China were due to email a 100-man deputation to the talks, led by defect Premier Liu He. The China by the government has yet to formally commentary on Mr. Trump card's tweets. In China, post-Kong's Hover-Send code omitted 3.7%, time the Shanghai Composite immersed 5.3%. U.S. stockpile futures sharpened to a reduce outdoor on-side road. Michael Herson, Asia CEO at Eurasia Team, told, his Mr. Trump cards go injects main ambiguity in talks, that now person a growing hazard of unstretched deadlock, maybe though via the U.S. President poll. The U.S. CEO tweeted how tariff of 10% on specific consumer goods would growth to 25% on Friday, and $3.25 bn of untaxed consumer goods could person 25% duty soon. This trading transactions in China continues, but too slow, as they try to reconsider. Not, he tweeted. Following formidable duties on billions of dollar cost of one else's consumer goods recent year, the U.S. and China include been negotiations and in latter weeks, emerging to be shut to remarkable trading transactions. Recent 1 week U.S. Exchequer Secretariat Stephen Mnuchin outlined negotiations detained in Beijing as efficient. For 10 months, China has been profitable tariff to the USA of 25% on $50 trillion of top technology, and 10% on $200 trillion of some consumer goods. These payments are partly accountable for our large economical results. The 10% will go up to 25% on Friday $325 billion. White's building economical advisor Larry Kudlow said Fox News story how the CEO's chirp was a precautionary. The CEO is, I believe, producing a precautionary there, how, you aware, we curved above a go over, we hanging the 25% rate to 10 and later we've leftward it down there, how may not be ever if the negotiations don't job of, he told. So distant, the U.S. has superimposed tariff on $250 bn of China consumer goods, possessing charged the nation of unjust trading practices. Beijing hid behind in duties on $110 bn of U.S. consumer goods, accusing the U.S. for start this greatest trading war in economical story. On to accountable, in latter days U.S. officials include be disappointed by China searching to row behind on overcommitments done above a transactions. Sticking out points include turned on how to force a transactions, if and how quick to coil behind tariff already superimposed and issues about intelligent characteristic protect. Tom Orlick, head political economist at Bloomberg Economy, told, it's probable negotiations are break downward, in China offer inadequate acquiescence, and in growth in tariff a true perspective more than potential, in our type, is how the renovated risk is and try to remove a few more than insignificant acquiescence in the definitive days of negotiations. Mr. Trump card's newest go will lift duties on more than rather than 5,000 means done by China producers, range of chemical substances to textile fabrics and customer consumer goods. The U.S. CEO initially superimposed a 10% rate on these consumer goods in September, how was due to growth in January, but deferred the as talks progressive. Yet, both of U.S. and world firms include told they are creature harmed by the trading warfare. Fears on a future rise inflicted a fall in planet stockpile markets to the end of recent year.